guys, this is Chris Time and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is unfortunately a huge fail. I wouldn't say a complete fail, but installing wise it was a fail. Anyways, let's get to it. Whoa. This camera just zooms in automatically for some reason. Yeah, today's video we're going to be installing a master brake cylinder brace for the 10th gen Civic. It's not only for the Type R, but it's also for the SI, hatchback, sedan, coupe, 10th gen Honda Civic, and it's fairly easy to install, very inexpensive. Let's go. So the reason why I said that this video is a fail is because during installation I lost a screw, so I was unable to find it, unfortunately, and yeah, a lot of my footage has been corrupted for some reason. I was using my camera, which is the Nikon camera. I guess the memory failed somehow, so half of the installation was just lost. As you can see, I lost one of the screws. This right here is the Brake Master cylinder brace from Verus Engineering, and I have to say this looks amazing underneath the hood, along with my other stuff that I have here on my Type R, and it really stands out. Well, not really, because I got the blue one, which is almost the same color as my Boost Blue Type R, but they also have a red one, I believe, which if I were to get that, then this would definitely stand out even more. In this video, like I said, mine's not completely installed correctly because I'm missing a screw. So mine might move a little bit. We'll see on the after. If you're wondering where I got the impact wrench from, I will be linking it down below in the description. But this impact wrench is from Civic. They were kind enough to send me a product of theirs to test out on my car. And I have to say, it really made taking the bolts off a breeze. It's super easy. They give you 4 attachments. All of them are different sizes. And it comes with 2 batteries, so really happy with that. The batteries have a capacity of 4,000 milliamps, so they both last long. So if one of your batteries dies, then you can always replace it with a different one, so that's always convenient. Look at the paintwork on this. It has like these sparkly finish to it on the gray. And like I said, it has a good amount of weight to it, so it doesn't feel cheap, because this feels like it weighs about, I would say, 5 pounds maybe. The one thing that I like about this is that it has a couple of modes. So if I were to turn this on, switch this, it'll go in like 2-3 second bursts like this. Or if you want, turn the burst mode off and just go like this for a continuous rotation. Then we also have your battery indicator here, so that you'll know the status of the battery, see if it's fully charged. Huge shout out to Civic for sponsoring this product. It makes working on the car so much easier. And like I said, if you are interested in this product, I will be linking it down below in the description, as well as a 10% discount code from Civic themselves. Let's get back to the video. Alright, so you're going to take your rev nut. I've already put one in, just like that. So take your rev nut, again, it's going to be loose. So you just insert it the provided tools. Alright, so it's gonna look like this, okay? Grab the screwdriver and just pushed it in. Take my wrench and I'm just gonna screw this until it's tight. Of course, my camera's not focusing. Alright, I think that's about good enough. Test it out. It still comes out. Damn. Not good enough, huh? I knew that that's gonna happen. The rivet nut plus the tool fell somewhere in my engine bay. I have no idea where it's at. I tried jacking up the car, still can't find it. I even took apart the skid plate and yeah, still can't find it. But at least I got one rivet nut in, and I'm not sure how safe that is or if it's gonna be held up correctly. I might just install it with just one rivet nut for now. So once you're done, it should look like this. So this is nice and tight against your brake master cylinder right here. So it's not properly on, but it should help. This feels like it's secured, so this is not going to go anywhere. But yeah, this should have been an easy install, but with the rivet nuts and like the weak screw that they supplied, it was a nightmare. And then the rivet nut plus the tool fell somewhere in the engine bay, and I don't know where it's at because I have no battery. I'm unable to move the car, even though I've already jacked up the car and tried looking for it. Still no luck, but I'm happy with the result because it does look nice. Again, it's missing a screw, but whatever, it still looks pretty nice in my engine bay. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the car back together, put the battery back, and we'll see if there's any difference. So yeah, I immediately noticed the difference when I pressed on the brake pedal. It doesn't feel as squishy anymore, so it feels a bit firmer. I wouldn't say it's a huge difference, but you can definitely feel the difference in terms of firmness. Without that brace, it felt spongy, but with the brace, it just feels so much firmer. It feels a lot better, and it makes me more confident with braking in this car. Overall, I'm quite happy with the installation. I definitely feel like it's worth it, especially for the price. You're only paying about less than $200 for this mod on your car. It really improved the brake feeling on the Type R. I feel like it was more sturdier. It's not as spongy anymore. And as you saw on the after video, the brake cylinder was not moving at all. If not, there's like little to no movement of the brake master cylinder with this on. It also looks really nice underneath the hood. It's inexpensive, so I highly recommend anybody that has a 10th gen Honda Civic who wants to improve the brake feeling to have this installed on their car. Like I said, it's under $200, and you can definitely feel the difference with this brace on. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you do like this video, be sure to hit that like button and comment down below what you guys think of this modification. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel because I do post videos of my 10th gen as well as my 11th gen Honda Civics, and occasionally some other videos with the Accord. I know I have future videos with a different car. It's not a Honda, but it's a performance car, so I will have that on the channel soon. I just don't know when I'm going to be posting it. But yeah, if you guys like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you all for watching. This is Chris Time. Peace out.